Hello and welcome back to Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I make Bangalore special Empire style ghee rice, restaurant style dal fry and Empire style chicken kebab. Delicious combination ghee rice, dal fry and chicken kebab. This was my most ordered and favorite item of theirs. Whenever I go to Bangalore, I make sure to visit Empire restaurant just to have this combination. So today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious combo. Let's see how to make this. Bismillah. First I'll make restaurant style dal fry. In a pressure cooker, add half cup soaked Toor ki dal, half cup soaked Moong ki dal, goes in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oil and 1.5 glass of water. Give a mix and close the lid and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. And next I'm going to add 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Goes in half teaspoon hing, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 dry red chillies, 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 finely chopped onion sauteed till it becomes translucent. And to this I'm adding 1 chopped tomato, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Goes in half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well and cook till tomatoes become mushy. In between you can add some hot water just to cook the tomatoes. And next I'm adding cooked dal. Mix it up nicely. To this I'm adding 1 glass of hot boiling water. Give this a very nice mix. Sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix it up nicely and cook till 1 boil comes. And now switch off the flame and set this aside to settle down. And now restaurant style dal fry is ready to serve. And next I'm going to marinate the Empire style chicken kebab. In a bowl add 1 kg chicken with bones. Goes in 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, pinch of red color. And also I am adding 1 tablespoon maida, 1 tablespoon rice flour, chawal ka atta, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 2 finely chopped green chillies. And now mix to coat well. Leave it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Next I'll show you how I make Empire style ghee rice in Zeera Samba rice. In a bowl add 4 cups of old Zeera Samba rice. And next I'm adding water to soak the rice for 15 minutes. Take another large bowl or jug, add 6 glass of water and set this aside for later use. In a large pan, add 5 tablespoon ghee and a tablespoon of oil. Goes in 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamoms, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 sliced onion, saute till it becomes translucent. Add 1 finely chopped carrot. Fry this for a minute in a slow flame. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Adjust as per your taste. And next I'm going to add 6 glass of water and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, add soaked Zeera Samba rice. Give this a very nice mix and now cook for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. At this point, I am adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix it up nicely and now close the lid and cook for 10 minutes in a slow flame. In between, slightly upside down the rice and again slow cook for 5 minutes. Once done, switch off the flame and set this aside to settle down. Next, heat oil to fry the marinated chicken. Drop all the chicken pieces and deep fry till chicken becomes tender and crispy. चिकन को ऑयल में ड्रॉप करने के बाद थोड़ी देर तक चिकन को टर्न ना करें. वन साइड कम्प्लीटली कुक होने के बाद आप इसको टर्न कर सकते हो, तभी चिकन क्रिस्पी रहेगी. एंड नाउ रिमूव दीज चिकन पीसेस फ्रॉम ऑयल एंड ड्रेन दिस इन अ पेपर टॉवल और इन अ स्ट्रेनर. Once you are done cooking, serve immediately with ghee rice, restaurant style dal and enjoy with your family and friends. तो ये थी रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल दाल फ्राई, एम्पायर स्टाइल चिकन कबाब एंड एम्पायर स्टाइल घी राइस की रेसिपी. आई होप आप सबको पसंद आई हो. मेक श्योर यू ट्राई दिस रेसिपी एंड लेट मी नो हाउ इट टर्न्ड आउट फॉर यू. And that's a wrap. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below and subscribe. Please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Take care and have a nice day.